Hello friend, welcome to my channel Takiji Satyendra. My name is Satyendra Mahato. I live in Nepal. Today I am going to talk about simple topic my vocabulary, daily using vocabulary, morning to evening, easily tone and easily vocabulary. Because I'm also studying zero level 2, zero level 2. Okay, let's start. Early I'm talking about 20 vocabulary in this video. More vocabulary talking next video and more coming video new soon. I think my video coming every day because a little bit busy this week. Okay, let's start. Really, सच्चै, really, सच्चै, maybe, शायद, of course, पक्कै, पक्कै, I mean, मेरो मतलब, I mean, मेरो मतलब, I guess us, शायद त्यस्तो लाग्छ होला, शायद त्यस्तो होला, I guess us, शायद त्यस्तो होला, not real, खास होइन, not real, खास होइन, I do not think so, I do not think so, मलाई त्यस्तो लाग्दैन, what not, के होइन, what not, के होइन, not bad, ठिकै छ, not bad, ठिकै छ, see you, good to see you, तपाईँलाई भेटेर खुसी लाग्यो, nice to meet you, तपाईँलाई भेटेर खुसी लाग्यो, take your time, आफ्नो समय लिनुहोस्, take your time, आफ्नो समय लिनुहोस्, don't worry, चिन्ता नलिनु, don't worry, चिन्ता नलिनु, no problem, केही समस्या छैन, no problem, केही समस्या छैन, that is fine, त्यो ठिक छ, that is fine, त्यो ठिक छ, see you soon, छिट्टै भेटौला, see you soon, छिट्टै भेटौला, wait a minute, एकछिन पर्खिनु होला, what's up, के छ हाल खबर, what's up, के छ हाल खबर, I am not sure, म पक्कै छैन, I am not sure, म पक्का छैन, come in, भित्र आउनु, don't be late, ढिलो नगर्नु,